Evaluate 7 times parentheses 10 plus 4 close parentheses. Now, whenever you're being asked to evaluate a numerical expression and you have parentheses and operations and numbers everywhere, you're going to use what's called the order of operations. I like to remember the order of operations by following PEMDAS. Now, PEMDAS stands for this. The P in PEMDAS stands for do everything inside the parentheses first. Then do any exponents. The M and the D means you multiply, divide, left to right. It doesn't mean you always multiply first. It just means you look left to right and see if you multiply or divide first depending on left to right. Similarly, the A and the S stand for add or subtract, left to right. Doesn't mean you always add first. It just means you scan left to right and see if you add or subtract in that order. Now, I see parentheses. So the first thing I'm going to do is do everything inside the parentheses. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we're going to keep the parentheses there, and we're going to put 14 inside the parentheses. Then everything over here that you didn't do, you drop down. 7 times that. Now we did the P. Do we have any exponents? Nah. And then we only have one thing left over, and that's just a multiplication problem. So I don't have to worry about the rest of PEMDAS, I just have to multiply. So if you don't know what 7 times 14 is, that's okay. Go off to the side. 14 times 7, always put the smaller number on the bottom, it's just easier that way, and do regular old multiplication. 7 times 4 is 28. Write out your 8, carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 98. So you end up with 98. And since we're out of numbers, you circle your answer, and that's how you do PEMDAS.